This video shows how to adjust the BIOS and password settings using the dip switches on a PowerEdge XR4510c sled. Before making changes to the dip switch settings, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4510c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to adjust the dip switch settings, you must first remove the cover. To remove the cover, while pressing the two blue release tabs, rotate and lift the cover. To adjust the dip switch settings, use a plastic scribe. To clear the NVRAM at boot, move switch 1 to the on position and reboot. Move the switch back to the off position to retain the BIOS configuration settings at boot. To clear the BIOS password, move switch 2 to the on position and reboot. Move the switch back to the off position to re-enable the BIOS password feature. To install the cover, align the cover with the T-nuts on the sled. Rotate and press down on the top cover until the cover locks into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.